Uniquely different. Bless those who persecute you. Romans 12:14. My dear fellow Christians, continue doing good. Continue having integrity, being honest and kind. It's okay. I know there are times when people will persecute you for being God fearing. It's because we are perceived as uniquely different. And when you talk about uniquely different, because we cannot waver, we cannot be corrupted by dishonest deeds. We do not chive in bad behavior, and people will hate us for that. Remember, bad people hate good people. They are envious of them. Remember Daniel when he prayed publicly because he did not waver in his faith with God, they threw him in the lion's den. But remember, God's people are always victorious in the end. So steadfast in faith.